How to log out Viber on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can log out Viber on PC. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Viber and make sure that you're logged in. Now to log out of your account, what you can do is navigate to the top left corner. Here you will find your profile icon. Click on this drop down. So once you get this menu box, click on settings. Once you land on once you get this settings box, again head towards privacy and security. Now on the privacy and security, if you scroll down a bit, there's an option as deactivate Viber on desktop, and here it is saying that deactivating Viber will delete your conversation history and application data, but your conversation will still be available on other Viber devices. That means it won't affect your Viber login in your mobile device. So your conversation will still be available in your mobile device. So in order to log out on your desktop or PC, simply click on deactivate. Now again confirm it by clicking on deactivate. And with that, now you are logged out of your Viber account on your PC, but your account will be still logged in your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.